Hello from Interlift 2025 from Nuremberg. My name is Martin Grabmayer. I'm working for SafeLine in Germany as the sales representative or better said sales manager, but feel free to see me just as an external colleague for all your questions about emergency telephones, monitoring, and the future of lift controllers. So our design concept is just like an open bar for everyone together. So it's not only about the products, but also about the people behind it. So without all the professionals here, I think all the best tools are without any worth. But with all the people here, they become what they are. They become really a part of lift industry. And so we're really happy to present our independent monitoring system called Lyra with the cloud platform Orion, where you can move each lift from a standard lift what we call a smart lift. So the lift is telling you history, what the lift is really doing. You can see from your office, is the lift moving? How is it moving? What is the ride quality? Or is there any issue where we have to send a technician out? And one other thing that we are very proud of is the future of lift telephony. So in case you're locked in the lift, you just push the button and we deliver all the techniques behind. And especially the newest development is switching the technology from old-fashioned technology to voice over IP. I'm looking forward to our next 12 months, and I will be happy to introduce the VoIP protocol out from the field test to the final market launch, and also to give the service of monitoring tools to a wider variety of customers to give a better understanding of this type of system, how they can get more efficiency to their service. That's quite easy, so feel free to come on our website to have a look at our German team, or just contact me at martin.grabmayer@safeline.eu. And I think the name is quite hard to understand, so I'm going to spell it: Martin.Golf Romeo Alpha Bravo Mike Alpha Yankee Echo Romeo @safeline.eu. Just saying thank you to all our customers that they are here with such a big interest in asking so much interesting questions to help us also to further development our products to be really the leading company in the market that we are for 30 years now.